Every breath you take contains an invisible gas that keeps you alive. But for thousands of years, no one knew oxygen even existed. People have always lived surrounded by air, but they had no idea what it was made of. Most believed it was just one invisible substance. Early thinkers assumed air was a single element because it always looked the same. They had no reason to suspect it was actually a mixture of gases. For centuries, many believed everything was made of earth, water, air, and fire. This idea shaped science long before modern chemistry. As scientists experimented, they found that old ideas couldn't explain fire or breathing. Something important about air was still missing. People knew fire produced heat and light, but no one understood what kept it burning. Even a simple candle was a scientific mystery. Flames burned in open air, but quickly went out inside sealed containers. That suggested something in the air was essential for fire. A popular theory claimed that burning objects released an invisible substance called phlogiston. For many years, scientists believed this explained combustion. The phlogiston theory seemed to fit many observations, so it was widely accepted. But more accurate experiments soon revealed problems. Scientists discovered that some materials actually gained weight after burning, contradicting the theory. That surprising clue led to the discovery of oxygen. In the 1770s, Joseph Priestley began experimenting with different gases. His work would lead to one of the greatest discoveries in science. By heating mercury oxide, Priestley collected a strange new gas. He knew it was unusual, but he didn't yet know it was oxygen. Candles burned much brighter in this gas than in normal air. It was a strong clue that something special was supporting the flame. Animals also survived longer when breathing this mysterious gas. Scientists realized it was important for both life and fire. Although Priestley had discovered oxygen, he still interpreted it using the old phlogiston theory. Its true role had yet to be explained. Around the same time, Carl Wilhelm Scheele independently discovered oxygen as well. However, his findings were published later, so he received less credit. Scientific discoveries often come from many researchers working toward the same goal. Oxygen was no exception. French chemist Antoine Lavoisier finally explained what oxygen actually does. His experiments completely changed the science of chemistry. Lavoisier proved that burning materials combine with oxygen instead of releasing phlogiston. The old theory quickly fell apart. Fire is a chemical reaction between fuel and oxygen that releases heat and light. One of science's greatest mysteries had finally been solved. The discovery of oxygen sparked a revolution in chemistry. Scientists could now explain reactions using evidence instead of old theories. Breathing and burning have something in common. They both use oxygen to release energy. The difference is that your body does it slowly and safely. Your cells use oxygen to unlock energy from the food you eat. This process powers everything your body does. Every heartbeat, movement, and thought depends on oxygen. Billions of your cells are using it every second. With every breath, oxygen enters your lungs and moves into your bloodstream. Red blood cells then carry it throughout your body. But Earth's atmosphere wasn't always rich in oxygen. Billions of years ago, the air was completely different. Early Earth had very little oxygen and was filled with volcanic gases. Complex life could not have survived in those conditions. Tiny microbes changed everything by producing oxygen through photosynthesis. Over millions of years, they transformed Earth's atmosphere. This period is known as the Great Oxidation Event. It permanently changed Earth's chemistry and made complex life possible. As oxygen levels rose, larger and more advanced life forms evolved. In many ways, we owe our existence to those ancient microbes. Without oxygen, complex animals like us might never have evolved. It gave living things the energy needed to grow larger and more advanced. Inside your blood, a protein called hemoglobin carries oxygen to every part of your body. It delivers this vital gas to trillions of cells every day. Although your brain is only about 2% of your body weight, it uses around 20% of your oxygen. That's why even a short loss of oxygen can affect your thinking. Doctors use oxygen therapy to help patients who have trouble breathing. It remains one of the most important treatments in modern medicine. Rockets also rely on oxygen to reach space. Since space has almost no oxygen, they carry liquid oxygen as part of their fuel system. Oxygen is invisible, but its effects are everywhere. It quietly supports life across every ecosystem on Earth. Plants produce oxygen through photosynthesis, while animals use it to survive. Together, they keep Earth's oxygen cycle in balance. About 21% of Earth's atmosphere is oxygen. That balance makes our planet capable of supporting complex life. From tiny insects to giant whales, nearly every complex organism depends on oxygen. It's one of the essential ingredients of life. The discovery of oxygen changed science forever and revealed what makes complex life possible. Every breath you take is a reminder of one of nature's greatest discoveries. Follow Fact Vault for more incredible facts.